Hi everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. In this video, we are going to solve a common size balance sheet. So in the previous video, we have discussed about common size income statement and it is quite similar to that, but you need to remember the format, which I have already given in the comparative statement. You can check it out. So if you want, I can give it in the description. So let us see. So if it is possible, I will give it in the description. Right. So let us start solving the question. So you no need to change these formats exactly as it is. You need to write it in the examination. So these things also should not get here and there. So you need to properly understand or anything. You practice it, by heart it, whatever you want to do, you do it. But this format is very important. So let us see and solve the question. So in the question, they have given equity and liability and asset. So under equity and liability, they have given shareholders fund, that is share capital, reserves and surplus. And again, we have non-current liability, long-term borrowings, as we have seen in the comparative statement also. You don't need explanation for these things. So let us directly start solving the question. So heading is common size balance sheet of XRI Company Limited. Let us solve the question. So simple. In the in the common size income statement, that is profit and loss, we have solved in the previous video, right? So there we have considered revenue from operation as 100%, right? Here we will consider 100% as total liability and total assets. Consider 100% as uh, equity and liabilities and assets. Simple thing. You need to compare everything with this. Finished, that's it. Right. 15 lakhs divided by 41 lakh 50,000. So 15 lakh divided by 41.5 lakh. So you need to divide it and multiply with 100. So let me calculate it. Shall I have it here, or we'll make some space here for the calculator? Yes. So 15 lakhs divided by 41.5 into 100. If you do that, you will get the percentage. What is the percentage? 36.14. 36.14. Same for this also. So 12 lakhs divided by 32.5. So that is whatever given amount, and you need to compare with the total liability. Right, 32.5 into 100. If you do that, you'll get the percentage. 12 divided by 32.5 into 100. So remaining and all, quickly you calculate. 36.92. The same format, nothing changed. Right, 5 divided by 41.5. So quickly we'll calculate. You understood the game, right? 41.5 into 100 equals uh, 12.04 percentage. And again for 2017, 5 lakh divided by 32.5. So divided by 32.5 into 100. 15.38. 15.38. Again 5 divided by 32, same answer. 15.38 it will be. And 6 divided by 41.6 lakhs divided by 41 lakh 50,000 into 100. If you do that, you'll get 14.45 percentage. 14.45 percentage and 15.5. 15.5 divided by 41.5. 41.5 lakh into 137.34. 37.34 percentage. And again for the 2017, 10 lakhs divided by 32.5 into 130 something. Yeah, 30.76. 30 percentage. 0.766. Yeah, the same thing for assets also. There is no changes at all. Um, what is the amount given? 14 lakhs divided by 41.5. So calculate it. 14 lakh divided by 41.5 into 100. 33.73. 33.73 percentage. Again for 2017 also. 8 lakhs divided by 32.5 lakh into 100. So if you're getting bored, so kindly quickly you finish it off, no issues. Right, 61. 16 divided by 41.5. 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs divided by 41.5 into 100. There is no changes, no tough calculation. It is very, very, very easy. You can calculate easily. And again, for 2017, 12 lakhs divided by 32.5, 32.5 into 100. You're getting 36.92. And 10 lakhs divided by 10 divided by 41.5 into 100. So it is 24.09. Again, 10 lakhs, 32 point into 100. 30.76, 30.76, 1.5 divided by 41.5 into 100. We'll get 3.61 percentage, and 2.5 lakhs divided by 32.5 into 100 is 7.69. This is how simple the question is. This for this you will get 14 marks. So you use easily. So you can close your eyes and calculate that much easy. So note it down, and in the next question we'll solve another problem same as common size balance sheet, but which is given in the question paper, previous year question paper. So let us see that, and by this we are ending the video. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.